This video provides a general overview of maintenance information for the Blade 2 printers. Always follow all posted safety instructions. Perform any lockout-tagout procedures according to your company's guidelines, and always review all documentation before operating any equipment. Printer Components Overview. The printer is comprised of the following components: Print Controller Unit, Ink Supply System, and the print heads. Identifying your printer. Some maintenance procedures, such as flushing the system, differ based on which saw print head configuration you have. Not all saws are equipped with 3 print heads. If you're unsure which printer option you have, refer to your equipment manual. Printer Options menu. The Printer tab in the Options menu can be found in the Blade 2 software by clicking on Tools, then Options, and Printers. Knowing where these options are can be useful for troubleshooting. Refer to the equipment manual for more information regarding the fields on the Printer Options menu. To see the printer sensor states, go to Diagnostics, then Detailed Diagnostics and Printer. Setting the air pressure. The pump that affects the printer system's pressure can be accessed via the stroke elevation door on the outfeed end of the saw. It must be set to no higher than 12 psi. Exceeding this recommended setting will damage the print heads. The printer's pneumatic system has a non-adjustable relief valve set at 15 psi inside the pump. Printer hazardous substances. The printer ink and printer cleaner are both hazardous substances used in normal maintenance. Refer to the displayed tables for hazards, required PPE, and how to treat contact with a hazardous substance. General printer maintenance reminders. Keep in mind the following guidelines when performing any maintenance on the Blade 2 printers. Always wear safety glasses and rubber gloves when handling ink. Never clean nozzles with pressurized air. Use only the correct Matthews inks and cleaners. Failure to do so will damage the unit and void the warranty. Check regularly for kinks or other stoppages in the lines. Do not allow the ink or cleaner to fall below the bottom of the pickup tube. The air will negatively affect print quality and cause damage to the print head. Never pressurize a bottle while it is positioned outside the ink supply unit. Never exceed the recommended pressure setting of 12 psi. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact MiTek Automation Support.